Not many, not that much.
Okay, great, great. So fine, that's great. So before we'll start further with Python and all, so just a question that do you guys practice anything like any turtle program or something?
Yeah, we did the assignments and then I tried to draw a circle, but it didn't work. Like,
Okay, that's not an issue. That I'll
and
tell
then I
you.
also tried to do a spiral and it also didn't work.
Okay, why?
Because I don't know, like and then I also tried to do area of a triangle. I did exactly what you told me to do, and then it also didn't work. So we'll do it today in class.
No problem, no problem. We'll do that.
I tried the fraction one, the addition. I got the area of triangle and area of cylinder, like surface area of cylinder.
Yeah.
But for some reason, the fractions addition and subtraction multiplication, I couldn't do it, and I tried. And I
No,
did what you told.
no worries. So what we'll do that today for the probably we'll try to discuss about the homework for each and every one of you. I think Arjun, you shared your homework with me, right? Or not?
I don't know if I shared it with you, but I did it for
Okay,
sure.
sure, no issue. So let me just share my screen and let's see what else, what things we can do. So I have a lot of things opened. Okay. Uh, uh, um. Now let's first see the Ane homework. Okay. So let's first discuss about the Ane homework. Okay. What happened, Arjun? Your mouth is open. Okay. Let's. So the first assignment which was given was related to Microsoft Office Word. So we'll review each and every one of your assignment. Okay. And based on that, we will try to finish it up quickly. Okay. So and I'll tell you what issues we have. Great. So Ane, focus here, please. I think your camera is little up. Yep, now good.
My mom came in, so
Oh, okay, okay, no issues. So fine. So Ane has written about the football where he says that okay, I am Ane Damankar. I play football as a hobby and as a serious sport. I play for a premier team and I do not regret a single thing about going there. That's nice. There are a lot of positions in soccer. I play as a winger. Here are a few things the winger does in soccer. A winger would dribble the ball up and down the field. He would cross the ball into the goal for the strikers to score, and he would dribble inside and then score goals. Okay, so there are a couple
My
of things which has
my
to be. Yeah, Arjun, you want to say anything?
my word was like 10 times longer. Like mine was like the whole page.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, Ira.
you never specified how long it was supposed to be.
Yeah, and I did more than one sport because I have like three favorite sports that I like.
Exactly.
All
So that's completely fine. So it was not about a length. It was about the that how you're gonna write it out, how you can present it out. So it was about that. It was never about the length. So don't worry about that. If you have written a short or if someone has written a longer, that's completely fine. Now let's talk about the couple of other things here, which we think that okay is a good one. So which probably needs the improvement in this. So the first one is so let's talk about good things first. So the good thing is that Ane has put heading in the center, that to underline and bold, which is very good. Second thing is that the things which has to be highlighted, that is his name, that has been highlighted. You see that his name he has put in a bold. That is again good. Now, as a winger, what all things he can do, he has put that in the bullet points. That is good. But now the things which can be improved here, they are it's not that they are wrong or something, they can be improved is if you see each and everything after the field, after the score and after the goals, your line is ending, right? So we should have a full stop here. Okay, we should have a full stop here after the
What do you mean?
P-
Like after the
period. Period.
I don't do periods after a bullet point.
okay, basically the period should be there. It's not there.
He's saying he doesn't do
Yeah, our
periods after
teachers
bullet points.
say we
Okay, your
don't do
teachers has
periods
said not to
after.
put it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, no issues. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, and if you would have put one photo, okay, any picture, pictorial representation or something, probably any of your pick only, like while playing, if you had something, that would have just made it look a little more better. Okay, that's it. Nothing much about
I
that.
don't know how to import pictures from phone to the computer.
So you can send your photos from phone to your Gmail, okay, and then you can download it. That is the
Okay.
best way. You can
It's
share your
not
photos
any.
from phone to
It's
email.
not a major issue, right?
Yeah, that's not a major issue. It's not necessary or mandatory. Let's go ahead with the PPT of Ane. Now this PPT looks very good. Okay, this that I like this thing very good. So that is amazing. Good one, Ane.
It just
Now,
came up on Word.
okay, that you have chosen a template, right? Okay. Now this is good about football. That football is world's most popular sport. There are many positions in football, and like as any teacher has mentioned that he don't have to put periods after the line, so that's completely fine. Now, players play for their country and city in this sport. There are 11 players, all good. How football is in my life. That's interesting. Let's hear it out for everyone. So let's see. The sport is
Yay.
mostly in my life because I practice on turf and I play on grass. Great. I play for a Premier League football team. I started in recreational football, then I moved my way up. So that's good. Then what positions I play? Good. This is this is completely fine. I don't think that there should be any improvements, but it's good. Now,
Why
like,
is there in the position thing? Why is there like
Yeah, I
nothing?
didn't save it. Wait, so I didn't save correctly, but I have the other things there, but it just didn't save
Oh,
correctly.
okay,
okay.
now
Thank you.
this
I
one,
think. Yeah.
Ane has not printed total here. You see, it's
Yeah.
coming as sum of 813. That is
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah.
Average, I'm not very sure because if the sum was not printed and how it is. So let's
Yeah.
see this. I will download this file and let's see this. Yes, Ira.
Uh, okay. Number one, what is? Never mind. So for the Excel document, you know how he did it out of 10? Uh, is it okay if I did it out of 100? Like I did the marks out of 100 because it was
Yeah, no,
easier for me.
yours was completely correct. Yours was correct. I reviewed
Okay,
your
because
homework. Yeah, it was correct. Yeah.
okay.
Okay, so Ane, you have given these marks here, okay, which
Yeah.
will basically sum up to 55. Now you see, the problem I will tell you. What? So
Yeah.
here you just whenever we write formula in Excel, you have to put equal to sign in front. Okay, you have to
Mm.
put equal to sign in front, and whatever number of cells we have to do to take the sum, we will take it up. So let's try to do this. Okay, and let's do this. So B2 to B11 we have to do. Now you see we got the now you see we got the sum as 55.
Oh,
So what I did, shall I tell you
oh.
again?
I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me again.
Sure. This is also not correct. I'll remove this.
Yeah.
Yep. So I have to calculate the sum here, right? You have put total equal to here. That's fine. Okay. Rather, what you have to do that we have to write a formula. To write a formula, this is in the formula bar. I'll put equal to sign. Then I'll put sum as I have to calculate sum. Now I have to calculate sum from B2 cell B. This cell is what? B2, right? Where 10 is written.
Yeah.
Till 1. 1 is what? B11. So I'll write B2 colon B11. You see, all those has been selected, and I'll close the
Yeah.
parenthesis, and we got the sum. Isn't it cool? Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Yep.
kind of.
Now, now what next we have to do is that we have to calculate the average. So to calculate the average, what you are going to do that I have total here, and I have these many subjects, right? That is my 10 subjects we have, right? So what is average? How you calculate average? Can any one of you tell me? Let's hear it out from Ane first. Ane, how you calculate average?
You go to the FX thing and then you
No, no, no,
do
not in
average.
the not in the Excel, just a normal mathematical concept.
You have to do it and then you have to add up the numbers and divide it by how many numbers there
No,
are.
that's mean. I think that's
No,
mean.
that's true. That's correct. Ira, is it correct? Yep, great. Okay. So it says, Ane says that we have to add up all the numbers, that we have to take the sum of all these numbers. Yeah, Ira?
No, I also had another thing. For the total, there was an easier way you could do it.
Exactly.
For
Yep.
him. For him, because he put in marks 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
You can do, if you see 1 and 10 is 11, 2 and 9 is 11, 3 and 8 is 11, and so on. And 11 repeats 5 times. And then 11 times 5 is 55.
Yeah, so you're talking a completely mathematical concept, probably like it's
Yeah.
I that like the another kind of a trick which you can do, that whatever the sum is coming multiple times, you are going to choose that. But let's take with the formula one. Now
So
the
I
formula
just
one,
looked like how to what is average, and it is also mean. So like I was correct as well. It was
exactly.
average and mean.
Yep, yep.
I'm
So
just very dumb.
we have to say 10 we have, and we have to divide it by B12 divide by 10, and this is going to give me the average. So my sum was here, right? My total was already here, correct, Ane? And I will divide it by 10. I'll divide it by 10. So this divided by 10 will give me the average of my number. Okay, you got it, Ane?
Yeah.
Yep. Now percentage. Now Ira will tell us how we calculate percentage
I couldn't
normally
find
in maths.
percentage.
For the percentage, what do you want me to do?
Yeah,
What
like,
do you,
so if here Ane has to calculate percentage, so what basically we can do?
you go to the formula bar and
No, no,
you click,
normal mathematical way, not Excel way.
normal, you take average and you multiply it by 100. Because like percent is always out of 100.
Correct. So average multiplied by 100, or the another best way would be that, let's see that how many, let's say that we have given the numbers out of 10, right? Out of 10. So
Mm.
we can sum up this, right? And then 10 times 10 is how much? 100, right? That will make it times of 100. Yeah, ne?
I'm just making 100 with my fingers.
Oh, okay, okay. So let's follow the era method, which is quite easier. So I think like there you guys like get a lot of tricks to do the things, which is quite good. So you do equal to B13 and we'll do times 100. So not times 100, but let whatever times we are going to put that. So it will be 55%. Perfect. Correct, Ane? Got it? Yep. So
Time my
what?
mistakes.
Yeah, what we have done, that we have we did average into 10, divided into 10. Yeah, why we did into 10? Because if you divide 100 by 10, you will get 10 only, right? Hmm? Okay, so this is good. Do you want this sheet like to share it back to you, Ane? Do you want me to send it back to you?
I kind of want to like play around with it so I can understand the Excel more, so I don't forget. So please send it back.
Sure, I'll do that. Okay, so we'll come over to the programming section. Meanwhile, let's look for the ERA assignment.
It's sent from my
Yeah,
mom's
yeah,
like
yeah. Let me just
account.
delete the
So
unwanted emails so
When
that.
it is my turn, I will just share my screen because I
yeah,
can
that
read it.
one. The one of them is the vertical curly one. That's the Python assignments, and then the other one, I have no idea where it is. I think it's like more down. Yeah, that one, the assignment one.
Hmm. Okay.
There's so much noise. Like it's not your fault, but like there's background noise. So can you like
Yeah. So
speak up?
Arjun, can you could you please? Arjun is already on mute. No issues.
No, I'm
Uh,
talking about you. Like speak a little up, because like there's background noise and it's not your fault. So
No, there's nobody in mine area because everybody's downstairs and I'm upstairs in my room.
okay.
yeah,
Ira,
but
are
there's like
you also?
outside the window.
Ira, are you also listening that background noise from my end?
No,
No,
I can't
wait.
hear.
It's not
No, I
from
think
it.
it's from
It's
Anay's and like I think his parents might be talking. I think he just wants you to speak up a bit more, like a bit
yeah. No,
louder.
it's not that. It's like the neighbors are doing the lawn and it's really
Ah,
loud.
okay, okay, okay.
I
So your
requested.
neighbors.
Oh,
It's not your fault, but I just requested you to speak a little.
Okay, okay. So okay, I got it now. Thank you. Okay, okay. Let's see the Ira one. Hmm. So this is the Ira one, and here let's see about the. So what Ira has written that about my favorite sports. Okay, now it's good, Ira, that you have followed a proper indentation, but as so we
And
can do right here also, and then you have written the bullet points and underlined this. So this is good. Now you have you have made it italic also, right? Then you see again the good part with Ira is that whatever sports she like, so whenever she is writing about those sports, so what she is doing that she is basically highlighting it, right? She is highlighting it. Anay, I hope you are able to hear me clearly now, right? Yeah. So now neighbor lawn is not creating issues. Okay. Okay. Now, so this is about Ira, and she has put a basketball and these amazing figures, which is good. Now, again with the for Ira likes biking, so she has put about the biking as well, and Ira likes swimming, so she has put
yeah, they just didn't
swimming as
come
well.
out on the same page.
Okay. Now, one thing. So you guys told that you guys don't were not able to see that from where we can put up the uh, files. Do you guys know that how you can put up the files from your computer into Microsoft Word?
I do. I just didn't want to because it would have taken some time, and I really didn't have much pictures of me.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so yep. So if you go to insert
it
and if you
says
go to
basketball, drawing, and reading. They're not sports.
yeah, if you go to insert and if you go to pictures and this pictures, so it will
Oh yeah, sorry. Um, can you fix the drawing and reading? I changed that to biking and swimming. I just didn't fix the
which
top.
one?
No, you see how under okay, there says biking and swimming, but at the top, the bullet points, they say drawing and reading, and I forgot to fix those. No, the drawing and yeah, reading. Change the drawing and reading to swimming and biking.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. Let me just create a bullet for this. So basically, I wanted you guys to know that from insert, if you go to this pictures and then you go to this pictures, it will take you, it will allow you to take the pictures from your computer, okay, whichever is stored there. Now, Ira, see one thing. Now, this line, the demonstrate teamwork and sportsmanship, this should come in one line, right?
I know. It's just
You
it's
see, this should
yeah.
come in like this, okay? So we always have to take care about these indentation and all these things whenever we are writing document or whenever we are writing anything in Microsoft Office Word, because it's not about that we are writing it for just for a fun activity, or we are writing it for assignment, or we are writing it for a school purpose, but it should be a properly aligned, and it should be a more like it should look a more professional or a more appealing. Okay, so apart from that, all good with this era. That's good. No changes. Sorry. So ERA has created a PPT on coronavirus. Okay. Now one thing is
It was
wrong
the
that
first topic that came to my mind.
yeah, that's quite good. And I read that, and like I really like that. Whatever you have written, that was really good. Just here the spelling mistake which you have to take care. It's virus rather than virus. Okay.
Uh,
VIRUS.
oh no, that was autocorrect. I don't know why that did that.
Okay, no
Because
issues.
I have autocorrect on the computer, so it changes it as soon as it sees something wrong,
Yeah. So now you
which is
see this.
just
Yeah, now you see this is a good thing which I like, that ERA has put a world map, like probably the India map, and which like
yeah.
says that
I
okay.
didn't know it was India. I just found a random picture of a map that showed how many affected are
This
coronavirus.
is like the kid version
So,
of the news.
Huh?
In a Vana Power document.
Yeah. So, and she has put a sanitizer picture. She has put a picture wearing like a girl wearing a mask and these stuffs. And let's see that she has put a nice heading with the beginning, and where she mentioned that in Canada, schools went into the lockdown on March 11th, and offices started working from home the 17th. Many people were wearing masks and gloves, and many stores were actually out of stock on these items. Hand sanitizers was also a very much needed product. Soon the whole world was in lockdown, and many people were scared. Many people were scared of germs and were constantly washing their hands. It was the worst period of their entire coronavirus lockdown. Now you see one thing, Ira, that off has been
yeah,
hidden beside that photo. So what you have to do,
yeah,
that
I forgot.
you have to move the photo little bit here, right? If you move it
Yeah,
little bit here, this will create a different kind of a mm, like it will basically not hide what our text is there. Okay,
yeah,
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 but remember this is India map, don't forget India. Okay.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's the world map.
that's the word map, correct. Now see, this is again like this PPT, I if I say so, this PPT I liked very very much. Okay, the era PPT. Now just one small suggestion era here, that basically what you have to do, that you have to make sure this indentation should be proper. Now you see, it started from here, so it started from here, and then next line it moved to here, right? Where rather it should come from the same line. Like when you write normally via your pen or pencil, we follow the same way, right? We start from the beginning of the line. So this indentation can be fixed up.
Oh, sorry.
Now this is again good. How can you take precautions, and you can like cover coughs and sneezes, social distancing, like where she has exactly mentioned that 4 6 feet it is there, right?
Yeah, I really like that picture. I found it on the.
Yeah, and she has written all these stuffs and these things. So this is really really good. And this is this from where you got it. It's like a movie
Uh,
coming to an end.
no, actually, if you go to the clip art and you search
Okay.
up
Yeah.
the end, and then you just make it full screen, you make it cover
Oh,
the whole thing.
okay, okay, okay. That's nice. That's nice. So this is also good, Ira. This is good. Now for Excel, I have to check what formulas you have
Wait,
written.
can I? Sorry, I turned my camera off, but cleaners were here to clean the house, and like they came
Yeah,
in my
yeah,
room. They're trying to clean it.
yeah. No issues.
Excellent.
So let's quickly see the student marks assignment, and which Ira has calculated. Now for this, Ira has written this sum, which is absolutely correct. For average, she has used the formula average itself. So in you have the formula known as average also, Ane. Okay, so you can use the average, and basically if you do use average and do this, this will also work. And for percentage, she has just divided total by average, and that definitely is going to give you total. Sorry, she has divided total by the maximum marks. So it is normally in your schools also what you do, that you get the percentage by marks obtained divided by maximum marks into 100, correct? So similarly, you can do. This is good. But one thing I would like to know, Ira, that you try to average formula. You were aware of this, or you try to Google it?
No. So I was aware. So when you press FX, it comes up in your most recent. So
Exactly.
all I had to do was press that, and then it came up in my. It came up like in my third most recent from like alphabetical order. So I just clicked it.
Great. That's it, really great. So, this assignment was a like very good, perfect one. Good.
And
Yeah.
then you saw the other one, the one on the Python.
Yeah, Python one
Probably.
will take afterwards. First one, like first we'll discuss the assignment one, and then we'll come out to assignment two. Probably today's class will might go in the assignments only. I wanted to talk about few other things, but probably it might go in that only. But this is important. Python one we have to check for everyone, right? So we can't go like that.
Python.
Arjun sir,
Okay. I need to share my screen.
you need to share your
Just one.
screen. Okay, I have given you the permission to share your screen.
Okay. No, wait, no, this one. Can you share my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can say it.
Okay. So I have names,
First,
mark,
show me the Word document.
what?
The
Microsoft
Word
Office Word
document.
document.
Okay, wait, I need to find that. Word. I did the PowerPoint and then I had to unplug my PC because we moved it to my room. So then it got deleted. It got wiped out.
Hey, don't give me these reasons, okay?
No, you can ask my mom.
So why you didn't did it earlier? First of all, you would have shared it with me, right? 24th was the
I
assignment
didn't
you
know
did.
how to share. Okay, why?
Gmail from Gmail.
Just tell them on
Okay,
Gmail.
okay. I got
Yeah,
the
yeah,
word.
Ira, go ahead.
I
Okay,
actually didn't know how to share before. Then I just asked my mom.
yeah,
And she's like, just do this.
Okay, can you
Arjun
see?
actually started screen sharing.
okay, I see this.
Huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
just a sec. What font you have
Should I read
used?
or
No,
should
no,
you read?
no, you don't have to read it. I just want
Okay.
to see the things. Okay, this is it, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, see, Arjun, it is good. Okay, it is good. Just there are few things
Yeah.
which has to be keep in mind. You
Yeah.
always you don't write the entire document in a bold, right? You don't write it entirely in a
No,
bold.
this wasn't in bold.
No, I'll
I
tell you.
think
I'll tell you the issue.
The font is just big and then it has a thicker, but it's not bold.
it was AR Darling. I like
AR
that font.
darling, right? So don't use any AR darling. Try to use a standard fonts like
You
Times
can
New
just
Roman.
copy the whole thing and then use a standard one.
Yeah, so basically what you can do that you can next time like try to choose a standard ones like Times New Roman we have. If you click on that particular drop down where the font is there, so if you click on there, the list item which will come which will basically tell you that okay, you can choose out the Times New Roman, you can choose out the Calibri and these things. The
Okay.
second thing is that you should not use the italic also every time, because italic is
Yeah.
something which you write it for a specific things, right? Not for all of the for the entire paragraph. So you should not go ahead and use the italic. Okay. The third one is the alignment. You have aligned it in a center way. So once
I didn't know why that happened. I did
no,
it back to this and it still didn't work.
you see it worked.
But shouldn't I put the title in the middle?
No title
Yeah.
in the middle,
Title
but
in the center.
yeah, but other paragraph should be in
Oh,
the
okay.
left aligned. Okay. Yep. Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
Just do Control Z. Yep. Okay. Great. Yeah. So let's leave it, Arjun. You can fix it later. Now, what you have to do, you see that. So once you fix all this, right? So right now you see that this particular font is not readable. Also, like not readable means for a normal person, if he or she tries to see this document, probably it is not too much readable, right? And
Yeah.
everything is in the caps letter also. That is because of the font only. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. So always, for it's not only for Arjun, or it was not only for Ane or Ira, though we have highlighted it particularly for your assignment, but all of you have to keep this in mind, that whenever you are writing any document, it try to keep it left aligned. Headings can be center aligned, headings can be bold. Highlight those things which you think that okay, this is important to know. Okay, highlight and underline those things which is important to know, not everything. Try to create a standard font choose a standard font, right? Times New Roman, or your Calibri, or your Open Sans. These are some of the standard fonts which is basically used everywhere, right? So these are the few suggestions. Apart from that, you all of you guys did a great job, so that's good. So let's come to the next one, Arjun, for you.
Yeah. Oh, the Excel?
Yeah, PowerPoint, is it there?
No, I told you no. The didn't save.
No problems. I'll give you 1 day of time more. So tomorrow I want your PowerPoint. Okay, recreate
Okay.
it today and make it. Now show me your Excel, please.
Okay, Okay, Excel. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Oh wait, no, I haven't started sharing.
Playing with me.
Huh? What happened?
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay, so I have my names, the marks, the average, total, and percentage. So the names are Chicken, Bob, Joe,
Whose name is
all that
Chicken?
random.
Okay. Okay,
I
you
just
have.
realized that I didn't put my name.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where is
And
total?
then I have the total. The total is right here, the 48. And then I couldn't do all 10 averages, so I had to do 2 separate averages.
Hold
That
on.
didn't work.
How you calculated the total?
Total, I did FX, and then most recently, no.
No, no,
No,
no,
I
no.
just,
Huh. Click on
I
that
added that.
48 number. Click on that 48 number.
Okay.
Huh. Now tell me how you did that. You just added
I,
it up and
yeah,
wrote
I just
randomly.
added it all up.
So, Ira, you want to speak something?
I couldn't find the total. I mean, I did, and then I
It's
didn't.
just saying that if the other way you can do it that involves FX is you have to click on sub.
Arjun, do one thing. Arjun,
Yeah.
now remove this 48.
Wait, what 48 this?
Hmm?
Okay. Okay. FX.
Turn on your video first, Arjun.
Oh, wait.
नहीं
You're
कैमरा
asking
इधर
him
है.
to do too many things, I think.
I can't. Wait, I cannot do the video on if I turn video.
Okay,
Oh,
okay,
yeah,
no
start
problem,
video.
no
Okay, okay,
problem.
okay. No, it's good, good, good. Okay.
Great. Now you do one thing. You search for sum. See in that formula bar which is open inside open sum. Click OK. Now, what is your first cell number for which you want to calculate the sum?
What do you mean?
I mean, this. Hi. Yes. Great.
Okay.
Okay. Yep.
48.
You got it right with the formula.
Yes. Thank you. I thought there was a formula called total. I didn't look at sum.
Total means what? That means sum, right? Okay, no problem. Okay, Ira, guide. Can you guide Arjun for to calculate average?
Sure. Go to the total average.
Wait. Total. Why? I got a pen. How do I?
Who's drawing on the
Total
screen?
average.
He is drawing on the screen.
Or like, don't you see that black thing?
Arjun, press
Uh,
press Control
what just
plus
happened?
nothing,
What do
nothing.
you
I'll,
have a
There's
bunch
a
of?
bunch of averages now.
What?
This is bad.
Is someone else like doing your screen?
I'm not doing anything.
Not me.
So, no, maybe
Arjun,
Arjun just glitched.
Arjun, listen to me.
Yeah.
Just select all those wherever average is written instead of deleting one by one.
But that's the only thing that's working. Okay, done. Finished.
Now,
Okay, so go down, and instead of doing average out of what?
I went down.
Arjun, press control. Yep. And Arjun, okay, don't play around. Okay, focus whatever Ira is telling. Okay.
So click the 5.2 and get rid of 5.2. Like completely get rid of it.
No, then everything went.
No, it will come back. It will.
Okay.
Now get rid of the 4.4 and get rid of the other average out of 5 of 5. Now just write average under milli. Just write average. Then click the box next to it.
Okay.
And go to FX. And then you'll find average. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I did, and then it only let me go like to 4, like 5, like 4 lines. So it didn't work.
Hold on, he will not listen like that. Let me tell you. Okay, Arjun, cancel this. Ha. Now, you, Arjun, how you calculate the total average? Tell me, average is we have to calculate average using the average formula, right?
Yeah.
Now, don't do anything. Ha. Go here. Correct. Search for click on FX. Search for average.
Okay. I have average.
Ha. Click OK. Great. Drag that from, yeah, it's already there. Click OK. Done. You got your average.
Yes.
So what you have to do, you're using a formula average, you're calculating, you're dragging it from there to there, and you got it. Correct?
Yeah.
Now what we have to do, we have to calculate percentage. And the second thing, Arjun, the average column which is written there on the column C, delete that. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay.
Don't do anything else. Okay. Now try to put total and all later in the down only. Now below average, write percentage.
Okay.
Percentage spelling is wrong. It's percentage.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Now do one thing, that go to this that
Okay.
no, go to next cell.
Okay.
Now what you have to do is that you have to, so let's say that you are giving the marks out of 10. Okay.
Okay.
Now how many subjects you have from B2 to B12, that B11, that is around 10 subjects.
Yeah.
1 second. 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. 100. So it should be, okay, go there in the formula bar, write equal to. Now
Sorry.
your total is what? Your total is what, Arjun?
48.
And in which row it is? In which cell it is?
D.
D12. D12, right?
D12.
D12 is your total, right?
Yeah.
Divided by, right? Divided by, divide 100, because total marks obtained was 100, right? Maximum marks was 48. This. Now hit enter. So this is 0, not 0.48. We have to multiply it by 100 also. Okay. Marks obtained about maximum marks into 100. Okay, do one thing. Go back to this 0.48. In the formula bar, before D12, put open parenthesis and then close, and do multiply, right? Multiply 100 and enter. Now you got the percentage. Percentage, how you calculate? You get whatever the marks you got, divided by maximum marks. So we have said that, oh, you got 10 out of 1, 10 out of 5, 5 out of 10, sorry, 1 out of 10, like this. So this 10 subjects were there, 10 into 10 is 100. And then you, for percentage, you have to do the times of 100, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Great.
Yeah.
All good with you?
Looks like it.
Now, if you have any issues, let me know. We'll
No,
solve.
I'm good.
Good. Okay. Now, please close it off. Please stop sharing.
Stop.
Great. Let me share my screen and let's go back to the assignments. Let's look for an A1. Let me open the idle so that we'll copy quickly and we'll do. So this is what.
This is the cylinder one. So the area to find the cylinder. So if you want to run it and check it out.
Yeah, that's what I will be doing with each one of you. So Arjun has sorry, Anay has written pi equal to 22 by 7.
Yeah, because that's like 3.14.
Yeah, 3.14. Or you can use math function also here by using import math and math dot pi. Okay, so you can use math function as well here. Then you will write h is equal to float.
Again.
So Anay has here done the type conversion, right, to float variable, and he has asked that, okay, what is input of height, what is input of radius, and then volume of surface, and this looks good. Anyone has any doubt in this?
No.
Or anyone who was not able to do this?
Yes.
Who?
Arjun.
Okay, Ira. Arjun, how many programs you have written?
I tried like 3. I didn't do the cylinder one, but I tried the triangle one like 2 times and then I just stopped.
Okay, so this is the
Goodness. Just remember, you don't get the credit for this. Just remember, you don't get the credit for this.
We want to see the spiral. Anay did an awesome spiral.
Yeah, Ira.
I did.
I went to Anay's
for the cylinder, like for the assignment, I didn't share it to you using like what he did. I shared it to you using an actual like file that when you, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. So I have running
I
this.
shared it to you like that.
Run the program. Radio sleep. What happened?
Yeah, that happens. It will say the number really quickly, then it will just go. There's no way you can make it stay for longer. Trust me, it happens to all the files.
So is this like a bad solution or something?
No. It's not about that. It is basically that I will tell you guys. It's not about that. It's basically that there is a different way to run it that I'll tell you guys that how you can run it. So don't worry about that. So we got the value, right? That looks good. This looks good. So let's quickly sum up all the queries which are there of Arjun. Okay. Now, apart from that, we have this. I think area fractions one.
You can just like enter anything. This one's I kind of struggle with, so this one might be wrong. Hey.
Fractions. Okay.
I did the fractions.
Okay. So it says that I didn't had import fractions, but what I can do is that. this gave me error. Why?
It wasn't an error for me. That's weird. It wasn't an error for me. I don't know how that works.
How about Ane, you share your screen and then like we can see how it worked since it worked on
No, that's
your
fine.
screen.
That's fine. That's fine. We'll do that. Let's quickly
Okay.
see other things. This was enter a side of triangle, enter a
Yeah,
side of
the
B,
area of triangle.
base and C, A plus B plus C2. This was working, right, Ane?
Yeah.
Program is good.
Is there any simpler way to do this, or
It's you have to calculate area of triangle, right?
yeah? So
Uh,
was there any
no, it's
simpler
not
way?
a simpler way. This was the only way,
Yeah, the
but
only
it's
way.
good. Yeah, Ira. Means yeah, this
I
was
had
the
a
way to.
small question. We
Hmm,
were doing area of the triangle, right?
hmm.
So you did all three sides.
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
No.
No,
It's
it's
1/2
base.
into
It's
base into height.
it's base
Yeah, but
times height divided by 2.
yeah,
So you only need one side and the height.
Ane? So this formula is wrong. I didn't told no like mentioned it knowingly, but the formula for area to calculate area is 1/2 into base into
wait,
height.
wait. Can you try it out though?
Hmm?
Try the thing out, the formula, because why is he? Oh, never mind. He's not on mute. Don't know. No. Let's configure idle. Okay. Woohoo! It works.
So it is working. Just the thing is that
Woohoo!
you have to make sure that your
Yeah, this is amazing. You're gonna see how amazing it is. You guys are gonna see. It's actually really good. Ask Arjun.
One guy saw it.
It's hard.
See?
Anais, this is yours?
Yeah, it's not fully done yet, but once it's circled,
This one?
yeah, and then when it's fully done, it'll look like that.
No, you didn't show me this one. You showed me a much
This is
simpler
the only
one.
one I did. Maybe the
Better.
background color was different, but this is the exact same. You can always change the background color, so the background color is different.
Like,
it's
isn't
it's
that
good. So it's very good, Ane. And so I'll put all these programs in Google Drive, okay, so that any one of you can access, okay, any one of you can make use of these and can prepare it. I'll share the all the things by name for you guys. Good, this is good, Ane.
Can we learn how to make spirals? Like, it didn't really work for me, so I just made a
You made a
trapezoid.
trapezoid.
Yeah, it didn't really work for me, so I made something different, but
So
looks kind of nice.
that's it. Ane, you completed the entire homework.
Yeah.
Any doubts, anything you want to discuss?
Well, kind of like the Excel. I kind of want to remember that because that kind of was studying on.
I'm sorry.
The Excel.
Excel one.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll share you that. I'll share you that.
I am honored to be in the top of your emails.
No, it's just that Your email came recently, so it
It's still on
keeps
there.
an order.
Yeah, no,
This is the one,
it's
right? But I have to fix one thing in this. Quickly do that. So Ira, you have shared the programs to me.
Yeah.
Okay. Even there is a percentage formula also, which also you guys can put up and make use of that. So this is all good.
I see it.
How you guys got to know that there is a float also?
We are smart.
I just knew it from my before knowledge. So I knew it from my before knowledge, so that's why.
That's really good. Good.
Renee or Iraq job. I
Thanks.
did some.
I hope you guys understand also that whatever we are doing, right? Rather, like if you are taking help from Google, that's good. But if you guys should understand what is percentage C, what is percentage L, right? Why you are using it here. Did you guys
Yeah.
understand this?
Is this
For the
Ira?
print, for the print, the last part, I searched that part up on the web, but the other two were done by me.
That I can understand from the program only, that what is taken from web and what is not.
Yeah, the
So,
first two were done by me, and the
okay. So,
last.
Ira, can you explain line by line what has been done here?
So radius is equal to float. So input.
And
So
why we have used the float here?
hmm?
Why we
so
have
that
used float?
so that the person that's running the program can pick whatever like number they want, like whatever
What would have
radius they
happened if we
want.
what would have happened if we haven't used float?
Then you just would have got please enter radius, but you couldn't change it. You wouldn't be able to put in another number.
So basically, we would have received a string which cannot be
Yeah.
converted to number. So that's the reason we have used float. Basically, we have converted that. Okay, and then we have used surface area to form the formulas. And for lateral, you are using L, and for T, you are using for total surface area, right? Okay, and then why you have used this percentage SA, percentage volume,
That
percentage?
part I don't know. That part I searched up on the web, but
Yep.
the other two I know because I did those.
Why you have used slash n?
I don't know. Those parts I searched up on the web.
Yep, I'll tell you. Slash n, basically, if you put anywhere this, so this prints your output in a new line. This prints the output
Yeah.
in a new line. Okay, this is kind of a escape character. And focus here. So slash n, Arjun, focus here. Slash n puts it in a new line. Now this percentage SA is nothing. Okay, you are storing SA is what? This is a variable, right? This is a variable in which you are storing this formula. SA is a variable in which you are storing a formula. Now, whenever you are printing this, so you have to pass that variable. Is it getting clear to both of you, Ane and Arjun?
Yeah.
Can you repeat, Ane, what I have said? Ane,
Huh?
can you repeat what I have said?
I didn't hear you.
No problem. So I am saying the reason these SA, this volume, this L, this T,
Oh,
these are
yeah.
what? These are my variables in which
Oh, yeah.
I'm
Got
assigning
it.
this particular value. Now for this, whenever I'm printing this, I have to call these variables here, right? What I want the value of these variables, right? So to want
Yeah.
the value of these variables in the print statement, I'll be putting percentage SA. And instead of percentage SA, Ira, if you want, you can write use comma also. This will also work. Okay. Now this slash n is the escape sequence. Arjun, where are you?
Right here.
Yep. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Okay. I'll ask you in some time. Slash n is what? It is a new line. Okay. And this percentage point 2f. This says now this output you can get in a decimal numbers, right? You know decimal number, right?
Mm,
28.567893 like that, right?
yeah.
But
Yeah.
if you want to put that decimal number until two places only, that means like 3.14, 2.15, 5.89, 6.70, right? If you want to put it for two decimal place only, so you are putting point 2f. 2f means put the decimal places or put the numbers after decimal till two places only. Till two places only. Getting it?
Yes.
Ira, I think you are confused. Yeah? You're good?
I'm looking at the screen because my computer is tilted sideways.
No,
So
no issues. So you are good with the explanation? Let's
yeah.
try to run it. Now it's asked, please enter this. Let's enter this. Now you see, total area of cylinder, this is this. You see, after decimal only 2 is there, right? Rather, you should not print this percentage 2.f. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to remove this. Actually, this is causing this issue. That's good, Ira. Let's see the drawing of Ira.
It's not really a drawing. It's just a really long thing, and it's very short. Takes like 3 seconds. That's because I couldn't get a spiral to work for some reason.
Yeah, me too.
And then I
Spiral,
just came up with the easiest thing next to it.
spiral was not working for you guys.
No.
Should I teach them? Oh, snowman.
Yeah.
It's a bunch of shapes combined
Oh,
together
I thought
in
it
one
was
line.
snowman. Never mind.
First, it started out trying to draw a snowman, but then that ended up not working. So then I
No,
just
that's
put
fine.
it into
Snowman
a
is a little
square.
tough. I'll share you later. Snowman is a little tough. Okay, just a second.
Hey, what are you grabbing?
He's
I'm
grabbing the
grabbing
earth
no, I'm
because the
grabbing
earth's
the
behind him. He's grabbing the earth.
At
I'm
first, I
grabbing the
thought you're grabbing like a cup of coffee because it's night and you need to stay awake or something. And then you drink that.
yeah, the snowman. No, no. So let me just
Wait, is that
disable.
like the cheat book? Or how can we get the cheat book?
So
Is
let me
that where you're
show you
learning
guys my
all of this?
background. This is my background currently. Like now I came to my home from my room. Like earlier I was at other place. Now I came to my hometown.
Wait, do you live by yourself?
Yeah,
Oh,
I live by myself in some other place. But I came to my hometown for summer days. So
oh.
snowman I'll share you.
You're just gonna copy and paste stuff, and
Sorry.
are you just gonna copy the thing in the book?
No, no, no. I'm just like writing it down in the notebook so that I don't
Oh,
forget it.
so you write the the things down, but it doesn't give you the notes.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's
I
Oh,
just write down whatever I have to do, that whatever is pending on me.
so what's gonna be for homework this week?
This week we have to study about the if else conditions and the for loops, and we basically for
else
that
if. No,
only.
it's else if.
Yeah, else if and all this,
Also,
and then we have to study about the for loop. So with the help of which we'll try to create some drawings, we'll try to create some conditions. So but probably today that we are not going to cover up. So after Arjun assignment we'll close up the things, because this call was to one call is basically to wrap up the assignments. So this is how we are going to do, like
What
after
time
every.
is it? What time? Oh, it's 2:03.
Yeah, it's 2 or 3. So
Yeah.
today,
For
like,
me, it's 11:03 a.m.
yeah, so for you
Oh, for
today,
me, it's 2:03 in the afternoon,
it's
like
a assignment
lunchtime.
discussion only. Okay, so good. Ira, so fractions you were facing issues, right?
Yeah, it's not, I was facing issues. I tried it like 5 or 6 times, 7 or 8. Like I tried it every time, but I still couldn't seem to figure it out. I even
I'll tell
tried
you.
Googling it, but for
No,
some
no,
reason it wouldn't come up.
I'll tell you guys. Wait, hold on. Arjun, you are ready with your programs?
no, I don't know how. I don't know where I left. I didn't save the program, and right
Arjun,
now.
don't try with these things with me, please. If you have not done, just say that you have not done.
No, I have done it. I don't know where I saved it. But I'm drawing a snowman right now, and it's working.
Okay, so we were facing issues with spiral, right? So
Yeah.
there is a
Well,
code. There's a
I
code in
tried
the
this.
there is a code in the drive. You guys can use this code. Okay.
Yeah, uh, is the drive for all of us? Like, who'd you share it to?
It's shared to all of basically right now I think it's shared to your mom IDs. Let me
Yes,
just
that's what I was wondering.
let me just share it to you guys. Also, I'll share it
Then
to
I'll
you guys
check.
also.
Then I'll check my mom's account for it. Because then I don't know whose account to check. Let me see if it's on my mom's account right now. I have her thing open.
So this is a spiral, kind of a spider web or something, whatever you call it as.
It looks
Okay.
cool. Like
Yeah.
really cool.
So
It's somewhat close to what Annie did.
sorry.
It's
Somewhat
somewhat
close to what
close
I
to
did.
what Annie.
Yeah, but like, this one's a little bit better, cause yeah.
Yeah. So what I am saying that what you have done here, we have created a basically you can say that we have form lot of created a list of array this colors. Okay, you guys remember we talked about list, list,
Yeah.
right, Ane? So otherwise we'll repeat it again, don't worry, in tomorrow class.
Laptop is levitating.
Yeah,
I found the
so
drive.
yeah, so we had this with the red, purple, black and blue, green, yellow, orange, all these colors, the list of these colors. Okay, then with the help of turtle.pen we started a drawing. We have set out a speed that it should draw in a 0 and that kind of a speed location 1. We have set out a background color as a black. BG color means background color, that is has been set to black. Then for x in range of this means we have just defined a particular range. I told you guys range, right? That range is basically the list of a numbers, right? From 1, if you define 10, so it will give you 1 to 10, right?
Okay.
And
Wait,
then we started drawing it and doing like defining the width
wait,
and these stuffs.
wait. Do the thing, but like with the background color of orange. No, not. I mean white.
You want me to do it
Yeah,
orange?
like the exact same background, but with white. I mean, background color has to be like do it white. I want to see how that would look.
I did a snowman.
Nice.
Could I share my screen and like
Just
do
a
it
minute,
as my
just a
creative?
minute, just a minute. I'm coming to you only, sir. Just a minute.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Arjun, his YouTube channel is rocking, man.
Thank you.
Really?
Yeah, you see.
Wow.
You can't see the.
Now you see
It
the
has
orange
heat
color which is
mode.
there, right? That has been
Oh.
hidden now.
Yeah, it's kind. That's.
Correct. So if I put it white, then it is going to look up very, very cool.
Yeah. Do white. Wow.
Isn't it cool, guys? Ira, Anay?
Mm.
Yep.
Great. So fine. So I don't remember what all assignment I have given. So there are programs here, okay, for circle to draw the circle. We have it here in the drive,
Mm.
okay. Then we have it here for the area of circle, that
Yeah,
how
me
you can
too.
calculate area of circle, the math program, and multicolor spiral, and the normal spiral also. We have it here.
Can I show you?
Square it here. Hold on, Arjun, please.
Okay.
Then we have the multicolor circle also here, okay. If you want to draw multicolor circle, these are here. Now apart from that, so the assignment to you guys, I gave it that you have to calculate area of triangle, that is covered, calculate surface area, and this is covered. Fractions is left, that I'll tell you, and draw any creativity with help of turtle, which is also covered. Assignment 1, every one of you have completed correctly, that's fine. Okay, let me just share it with you guys also so that you guys can know. Hmm, okay. So Ane, I'll share it. I'll share with you also, right, Ira? And Mr. Red Hawks. Is that ID fine, Arjun?
Yeah, it's okay.
Right?
I gave you 2 email IDs. It's okay. They are both active accounts.
Okay. So this is fine. I'll just send to you. So you will get email in your inbox and you can say it. Okay, Arjun, please
Oh,
share
yeah, I
your
got it.
yeah, please share your screen.
Wait, can you wait 1 minute? I forgot to add hands to him.
Hmm.
I will do my
Tell
hands
me
and
from
then
where you
I'll.
copied also.
No, I didn't copy it. I just looked that Ira did 80 and then I started drawing it. So I got the idea from Ira. Fine.
She copied it from Ira.
Huh? Wait, for what?
So that's so she
'Cause
got the idea.
I didn't catch everything he said.
So like
So
I figured out how to do the circle because of Ira.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically.
It's easy. You just write T dot circle and then you enter any radius.
Okay, Arjun, share your screen, please, quickly.
Okay. I will also email a picture to you because it's not fully done, but I will show. Okay. Share.
And Arjun, whatever the assignment is you have not done, the PowerPoint and the other programs, I
Yeah, the
expect,
area of circle and triangle.
yeah, I want you to complete it at any cost by tomorrow. See in
Okay.
Google Drive what else is the assignment to complete it.
Uh,
Can
uh,
you,
How
for
do
the
you
yeah,
open
fraction,
Google
for
Drive?
the fractions one, the one I couldn't do I have to do it
I'll
by
no
tomorrow?
no. I'll show you how to do. Then you guys try. How you did it, Arjun? Show me the code.
So, the code. Okay. This is the code. Oh shoot! Wait. This is the code.
Yeah.
Great, great, very good, Arjun.
Thank you.
Can you
Thank
run
you
it
for your
again?
words of wisdom. Okay.
Can you run it again? Ira, did you got checkup with doctor for your eyes? Arjun, what you are doing?
I'm just
No,
showing
no,
you
it's
what it
not
is.
that. I have allergies or something that
Better stop sharing.
I don't actually really know, but
Oh, okay. Arjun, go.
it causes my eyes to water and me to sneeze a lot. So
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get rid of all that.
Should I share my screen again?
Yes, please, Arjun.
Oh, okay.
No, no, Arjun.
Yeah, the
Go to
code.
your code.
Oh,
Open Notepad. Do open write no open Notepad.
do I do Control plus N or what do I do? Open Notepad.
Notepad. Just search it from Windows. Huh.
Note. Okay.
Write import turtle.
Okay.
Quickly copy
Okay.
this t dot right 180 t dot forward. No, 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 no. Hey, this
No.
is a this complete.
Yeah. No, it's not fully complete.
No, no. From where? Oh, you are writing it one by one. So this is from t equal to turtle dot pen till circle and all this, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Do one thing as an assignment, Arjun.
Yeah.
Once you have finished with this, right? Each and everything, whatever you're writing, t equal to turtle dot pen, t dot circle equal to 80, and I stop that.
Yeah.
T dot circle 80, t dot right 90, t dot forward this, t dot left this, t dot forward
Yeah.
this. This
Yeah.
entire thing copy in a notepad and save it. Okay.
Okay.
We'll try
When
to
I
execute
finish
it
the
tomorrow.
full snowman. When I finish the full snowman.
Yeah, when you finish the full snowman or whatever you have written right now also, just like after the class, what you do, t equal to turtle dot pen, write it there in the next line, then t dot circle 80, then write it there, t dot right, write it there, t dot forward, write it there. So
Wait, do I
that
have to write all of that?
exactly, that's how, because then only we can see, right, at the end once you have created a full snowman.
Could I paste it? Could I like copy and paste?
You can do that and just remove the unwanted things.
Okay.
You can copy paste that,
Well, I'm
not
not
till
doing
that,
it. So.
till t
Okay.
equal to turtle dot pen. Okay.
Okay.
Copy paste that right now and save that file. Otherwise, I know you will forget it.
Okay.
Above line also.
Yeah,
Wait,
there's
not
one
that
more, right?
There's one more line, sir. T equal to
Sorry.
turtle dot pen.
Sorry. Wait, can I finish my full snowman before I copy it?
No, first copy that there. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Just hit enter. Yeah, go there. Hit enter. Paste. Great. Save. Control S. Leave it like that. Don't worry. I'll fix that for you afterwards. Leave it like
Okay, I
that.
saved it. Oh, okay.
Save as snowman.
Snowman.
Enter. Good.
Okay. Save.
Great. Stop sharing your screen. Let me quickly share my screen and show you guys how to write the fractions.
Being data. 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 Data.
Okay, see. So what we have to do, we have to use from fractions import fraction. Okay. We have to use from fractions import fraction, and we are just giving it a name. Basically we are giving it a name, another name as frac, because every time we cannot write fraction, right? So we are giving it a short name. Correct.
Yeah.
We are giving it a short name, or kind of, you can say normal terminology, we are giving it a nickname. And after that, what we are doing, that if we have to print add, so we are writing like we are converting it into a string here, and we are writing frac 5 by 4 5 9 by 8. Okay, like this we are doing. And if I save it as fractions underscore 1, and now if I run it, where is this man? Why it's asking enter the side of triangle? Eh?
Hello?
Yeah,
Can you hear me? My thing
yeah,
just.
yeah, I can
Oh,
hear
yeah.
you.
Okay.
Oh.
Why? Why? Yeah.
How do you hide turtle? I almost finished the snowman.
T dot hide turtle.
Hide turtle. It didn't work.
One second, Arjun.
Hide turtle's one word. There's not two words. But
Yeah, I know. I did that.
not one of them has a capital. They're all lowercase.
.com. Beaner.com.
My.
Wait, is this? Whose screen is this?
My screen only.
Wait, then it looks like a Windows 7 kind of, right?
No, it's that only. One second, guys. I'll tell you how to run that Python. Yep. So you
Okay.
see here, right? Ira,
Mm,
you have to use from fractions import fraction as frac. This is the thing which you are going to use it. Now let's try to see a program and fix that first.
Can you send that thing in the chat?
I,
Like
I,
the.
I'll put it in there only. I'll put the ANA program. So this was ANA 1.
It worked for mine, but I don't know why it didn't work for you.
It will work for probably for me also. It should work. Let's try. So I think here you have written import fractions. Rather we have to put import fraction. Let's see. Name fractions is not defined. Uh. Let's try to run how the ANA ran it, right? It was import fractions. Yeah, sorry, ANA, it worked. So you are
Why
doing
didn't it work last time?
there might be some issues there. Sometimes it happens. It takes some cache issue and like this. So Ira, it's very good. It's import fractions. Okay, you're importing a module, right? If you remember last time we discussed about that fraction
Wait,
is.
can you just like share that in the chat? Because then I can like copy and paste and save it on a notepad.
So import fractions this and whatever this. So improve it for the subtraction also. Like just put minus here.
Yeah, all you need to do, it's so simple.
Yeah. So you have to do for fraction also. Subtraction, multiplication, division also. And try to calculate a power. Try to calculate the power also.
Could you help me
Never
with
said
my
you have-
problem now? Like
I
I
never
cannot
said
hide the
power.
turtle.
Wait, Mr. Agarwal. You
Yeah,
never
yeah.
said. You only said you said only add, subtract, divide, or multiply. You
Like
never
just
said
try to play. Yeah,
power.
just try to play around with the power. If you guys cannot do, we'll discuss it tomorrow, definitely.
Wait, can I share my screen for a sec?
Yep.
Okay, so share. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay, don't wait.
No, I can't share your screen.
Wait, you can't see my screen? But okay, wait, let me try. Okay, wait, and then so just something to say. So this is I just went to this kiddie site because this is the beginning when I learned Python. Don't expect to get any knowledge from this, but so you just have to do this and then run it.
It will print a triangle.
Yeah, and then say congratulations, you printed your first triangle. Woohoo. And then it was
Could you help
really
me with my hide turtle now, sir? Please.
Yes, Arjun. Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
So
thank you.
yeah. So this is Ira, you got what Ane tried to print it?
yeah, it was really
Yeah, that's good. That's
it was
good.
really funny.
Should I
So
share
this is
my
how you guys
screen?
can play around. Yeah. No, I can't say it yet.
Yeah, I know, I
Arjun.
am sharing. See, I did hide turtle.
Huh. After hide title, parenthesis open and close.
Oh, T dot hide turtle. Yes, I completed my snowman.
Where is the snowman?
Can I see it? Can I see it? That's a stick figure, not a snowman.
Well, that's how he's.
No,
It's
that is good.
That's still
stick
good though.
man.
It's good. It's
I
still
also
very good.
upload my
But
second channel on Mr. Red Hawks.
what is
Me and
wrong
Anne
with that
upload
lady?
educational
Because I'm
videos.
running it
I just
Tell
uploaded
me.
my
Wow.
Python snowman
serious.
onto my channel, my second channel.
Okay, guys. So that's good. Very good, Arjun.
Wait,
So just
one more.
yeah,
How do I make it blue? I want to make the snowman blue.
that you have to put up earlier before t dot after t equal to turtle dot pen. You can put t dot color blue and begin fill and at the end fill.
I want another notepad. I want to make this is my final. I'm happy what I did. Okay.
So for color, Arjun, you have to
Yeah.
do t dot color blue and then
Okay.
begin fill and end fill, right? You want it to make a background color or you want to fill color, na?
Fill color.
So that you have to do that.
Okay.
If you'll go to the Google Drive which I have shared, there I have shown there I have written that how you have to put that code. Correct?
Yeah.
Man.
Yep. Okay. Anything else, Arjun? It's a good work, Arjun, but it's
Thank
good.
you.
Hmm. Anything else, Arjun? You want to ask?
No, that's it.
Can you stop sharing your screen, please?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. So today we discussed only the assignments, right? And every one of you try fractions apart from like only Ane and Ane don't have to try anything because Ane is good with mostly all the things. Ira, try fractions. Go ahead, Ira.
I just did, and it worked.
It worked. Good.
Yep.
Then it's fine. Don't need to do this. But Arjun, you have to complete your assignment, whichever has not been done.
Yes.
Look in the
Wasn't it the
drive,
PowerPoint one? Yeah, PowerPoint.
PowerPoint one, and the others, whichever has not been done, complete that assignment. Okay.
Okay.
That you have to do
Have
that.
you put how to do area of triangle and cylinder in
No,
the
and I will not put until and unless you are not giving it. You have to find out on your own how to do that.
Okay.
No copy paste. I'll put it tomorrow once you show me how you have done that.
Okay. Can I
Okay?
ask Ane for help?
No,
No help? Okay.
Well,
no
you
help.
can't stop us if I do give him help, though, right? But don't worry, I won't give him help.
No, no worries. If you want to see how, you can. I upload the recording also. This session is recorded. Okay?
Yeah.
So in the drive, I upload the recording also for today's session. You can see that how it
Wait,
is done.
why do you record
I
Okay?
can't even get help from like these people, like either one of you two. The only way I have to do it is I have to call, but because of the time difference,
Yeah.
there's some commotion. So
And Arjun, so don't
Yeah.
try to do like to copy paste from here and there or try to do that.
No, I just wanted to see how to do it because like I
No,
still
no.
don't fully
Because if
understand.
you don't understand what all functions are there, why it is being used, why variables are used, and what all things are used, there's no use of studying Python, right? I want you guys that after the end of this class, when we are going to finish with the Python, you guys should be in this position that you can write the basic programs on your own, right?
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Don't.
I've
Okay.
been waiting for do this for so long.
Okay.
Okay.
So fine.
Bye.
So listen to me first. So fine.
Yes.
Today we have discussed about the assignments and all. Tomorrow there are two important concepts about the if and the for loop conditions which we are going to discuss, and I'll be showing lot of things. So tomorrow is the most important thing which we are going to discuss about the Python, about the
Right.
basics of the Python. That is the most important thing, okay, which we have to discuss. And I want every one of you to be focused tomorrow, because that is the important part to remember. And after that, probably
We're
will,
gonna learn Python tomorrow as well.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. And for the thing, I just have a question for the Zoom meeting. When you try to log in a little bit early, it just says this meeting is for 6:27
Yeah, yeah,
p.m. Why
actually
does it
this,
say that?
yeah, because it was this meeting, like, actually we take one link, right? That one link is
Yeah.
being used for 2-3 months. It will be used for till end of this course, okay?
Yeah.
So that's why it says like that. So until unless I'm not starting, it happens like this, okay? So I'll not bore Ira much. Hmm? Yeah.
Why,
I need
why
water.
does she
I'm
always
not
get
getting
bored?
bored. I'm just
Okay, okay. Ha,
listening.
go ahead,
I
Ane.
don't have much to feel.
Nothing.
Arjun, anything?
No, I'm good.
Ira, anything?
Yeah.
Nope. Okay, have fun. So today nothing we studied, nothing we learned, so I'll not ask anything. But I'm very happy with your assignment and all.
I
Yeah,
actually learned how you do the fractions thing.
I
Didn't
learned
that count?
Python. I learned snowman.
yeah.
Or
He learns snowman.
or
And Ane, what about you?
I learned
or.
how to do the Excel right because that
Right.
was a little.
That's
Oh
great. So
yeah, I
this,
learned that too. So
yeah.
four.
So you see that with the small session today, we learned quite number of new things with the assignment, and that's how we do. It's a good. So good, guys. Keep going and good. Enjoy your day. Okay.
Wait,
Oh,
don't end the meeting yet. Don't end the meeting yet. Wait.
what do you want to do? Screenshot you are taking? No. He sent out some.
No,
Acha, bye. Okay. Okay. Bye, guys.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Chicken.
bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Chicken
Bye.
Chicken.
wings. We saw chicken.
Chicken. Okay.